For the students of the St. Joseph's Convent, it was a Friday morning assembly with a difference. A team of Bank of Saint Lucia representatives and past students were not just visibly present to make a donation, but had also taken over the format and agenda for the entire assembly. According to the bank's corporate communications officer, Saint Lucia Edmonds-Auguste, the bank heard of the school's effort to meet some of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and decided to lend a helping hand.
It's very important to us at Bank of Saint Lucia to continue to do what we can to preserve our natural environment. We've had a number of programs that we have supported, like the Joakali pop-up shops, and we actually had our Greedy for Green campaign a few years ago, which we're hoping to revamp in 2020. So doing something like this really fits in with our corporate social responsibility program, and we're very, very happy to have presented Sister Rufina and the girls at SJC with the cups today.
BOSL donated hundreds of reusable plastic cups branded with the school's logo and in the school's distinct house colors. According to the principal, the initiative to ban the use of all plastic and styrofoam products at the beginning of the new school year falls under goal number 12 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which is responsible consumption and production.
From last term, we started with the project of the garden, the environmental aspect of it, where different clubs will be responsible for caring for that space so that they make it their own without litter. And we also looked at the reusable cups and plates, and we wanted to start with the cups, take it a step at a time. And Bank of Saint Lucia heard of our initiative and they came on board with it by presenting the cups to the students. This, we think, is a great initiative on their part, and they are our past students, so it warms our hearts to know that they are coming back to assist us in this venture.
I love the colors, and I think that it would be great for the girls since they have a lot of house spirits.
BOSL continues to show its commitment to the development of education and the sustainability of the environment by supporting initiatives like these, especially those which target and involve the youth.